Have Samsung just ruined One UI 8 on the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Welcome back to SamMobile TV. You're here with Daniel. And overnight, the latest beta build for One UI 8 hit the S25 Ultra. It's fair to say Samsung have got some problems with this beta because they have removed everything that was good about it and everything that we've seen on the final build of One UI 8 on the Z Fold 7. Let's dive in and show you what's been taken out, and hopefully Samsung bring it back with the final version. First thing that a lot of people have noticed, us as well, is the Now Brief got that new feature where it could read highlights aloud to you. It's gone now. You can see it right there. There is no Now Brief read highlights aloud. When we take a look at the Fold 7 and its version, that read highlights aloud toggle is right there at the top. Now, why would they remove that? That's such a simple, really nice feature and one that's quite handy to have in certain situations. Okay, maybe it's going to come back. Maybe they've got to do some more refinements to it. But what else did they remove from it? Well, there's actually a couple other things that not everyone has noticed. If you go to content to include, you will see parking spot reminders is not there anymore. And the YouTube option is gone. I saw this morning YouTube Shorts was there, but now even that's gone as well. So I'm not too sure what their thought process is here, why they had it there and now they've gone back. It's just not really making sense to me. But anyway, it is beta software, so we can't fully judge it yet. And we can see the final version here with that stuff in it. But as of now, it's not there. I did see somewhere that the adaptive screen clock with the lock screen is gone, but I've just tested it and it's absolutely still there. So no cause for concern with that one. That's still part of it. Actually, while we're here, let's check the wallpapers and see if the suggested wallpapers from your gallery feature is still there. Yeah, suggested images are still there. So they haven't removed that yet as well. There was another one though that I was very excited for that I saw on the Fold 7 and I saw it on here the other week, made a whole video about it. Instant audio eraser. So if we go into the camera here and we find a video here, you will see when you unmute it, the other week, there was an instant audio eraser toggle right there. You will see that toggle on the Galaxy Z Fold 7. So if I go into here, unclick that, there's the toggle, instant audio eraser. So why have they removed it from the gallery? It also is in Samsung Notes and Voice Recorder. So if I go into Tools folder where the Voice Recorder is, it's now no longer in there either. So there's some really odd decisions that Samsung seem to be making, and the instant audio eraser being removed is definitely one of them. Another one they seem to have removed is call captions. So if I go into settings here for phone, be nice if it worked. There we go. The call captions option has just completely disappeared. So again, it's another weird thing that they've just removed from One UI 8 with this latest beta. When it first launched back up, there was a really weird scaling issue that it had. So it looked like this. And that just was, to me, was a bit crazy. Because like, why is that so spaced out? The whole phone was like that. I had to go into settings and into display settings and then into screen zoom to fix it. And then that made the problem better. And then the whole thing sort of reset back to normal. Thank goodness. So look, One UI 8 is clearly not ready. Samsung, although it looked ready, like the BYG1 update was pretty much flawless. Everything in that worked fine. I had absolutely zero issues with anything that the phone could do. But for some reason, Samsung have deemed it unnecessary to launch yet, and they've gone back to almost square one. And now we've got to wait to see what happens next. If you were on the train of waiting to see what happens next with One UI 8, this is the place where you will want to do it. So hit subscribe to SamMobile. Join us as a member because you can get early access to these videos as well, and go check out our website at the same time. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.